So the number one question that I get asked over and over and over again by everybody that I talk to is actually a pretty simple question. The question is, where do I start? I don't care who you are, what you do. That question is hands down the number one question that I get asked in this business. Mike, where do I start in government contracting? And my answer is always the same. Number one, find out who buys what you sell. Number two, find out how they buy what you sell. Because some people are buying on specific contract vehicles. Some people are buying on GSA, which is a specific contract vehicle. Some people are buying through sam.gov. There's all kinds of different ways that people buy. You need to find your ideal target market, and you need to find out how they buy from you. Those are the first two things that you need to learn. And most people are going to rely on sam.gov and the data bank, which I will admit that thing is an absolute dumpster fire a lot of days. There's days where I bang my head on the wall. It's not working. It's kicking me out of the system. I'm having trouble with it. Be patient with it. Go back to it. Try a different browser. Try to clear your cache, that sort of thing. There's good data in sam.gov. They're working out the bugs. It's going to get better. But guess what? You don't always have time to wait on sam.gov to, stop burning to the ground. So usaspending.gov is a great way to do it. You can go in there. You can query all that stuff. You can dig deep into USA spending based on your NAICS code, keyword, all that kind of stuff. So those are the two primary systems I use. There's a lot of other systems. There's tons of bid matching tools, some free, some paid. They're all really good. But the number one thing, who buys what you sell? Number two, how do they do it? Those are your first two assignments when you are brand new in government contracting. You've got to figure that out so you can build a plan of attack around that. We can't just start calling up people all over the country and asking randomly if they buy what you sell. I mean, you could, people do it, but let's take some data, some really good data, and build your plan around that. And I know I've probably said this in videos and podcasts 100 times, and yet I still get the question. So I wanted to answer it again today for you in this simple video. Find out who buys what you sell. Find out how they do it. Are they using contract vehicles? Are they using some other method? Once you figure that out, you can build your plan and you can go get them. If you have questions about this, as always, you know how to reach me. I'll see you next time.